Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to manually adjust the date and time for your iPhone. Go ahead and make your way to settings. From settings, scroll down until you find general. Go ahead and open that up, and you should see towards the lower bottom of the page where it says date and time. Go ahead and tap on that to open it up. By default, the 24-hour time will be selected off and it'll be set to automatically, and the time zone being Cupertino. In order to adjust to where you can change the time manually, all you have to do is swipe the set automatically button to the left, and it'll open up a time zone and the date and the time. And all you have to do is where the date and time are is tap on that area, and you should see a calendar appear. You can go throughout the dates and select whatever date you want to change it to for whatever reason. And towards the bottom of the calendar where it says time, go ahead and tap on the box and you can adjust the time manually. You can see it's 7:51 a.m. in the upper left hand corner. Just for test purposes, I'm going to set it to 9:51, and it automatically changes the time. You don't have to worry about manually changing it back if you want the current date and time. All you have to do for an easy process is select set automatically, and it'll adjust the time and date back to the default time for your time zone. But it's that simple. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.